Hey, Freddy Servant here. Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to discuss some coverages that every farmers market event organizer should at least be aware of to protect their business. And then I'm going to give you my recommendation on where you could go to get the right business insurance. But before I do that, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a quick thumbs up, as it really helps to push these types of videos out to other business owners like yourself. So farmers markets are a great way to support local businesses, and locals get access to fresh fruits and vegetables and specialty dishes, and they get a chance to see what the local crafters have to offer. Now, if you add a little music and maybe some activities for the kids, it's definitely a weekly event that the locals look forward to. But with all this activity and traffic, accidents can and do happen, and you'll definitely be glad that you had the right insurance in place to protect you from out-of-pocket financial risk. First and foremost is going to be general liability. So this is going to be your common slip, trip, and fall hazards. So let's say a customer accidentally trips on a tent pole, falls, and then becomes injured. You could be held liable for third-party bodily injury. So it's definitely those common slip, trip, and fall hazards. Also, it could cover third-party property damage. So let's say that a sign from your farmer's market accidentally falls on one of your vendors' tents and damages their merchandise. And let's say there's a couple $1,000s worth of loss and they want to make a claim against you. Your insurance would help to recuperate that loss for the merchandise of your vendor. Now, next, you want to consider commercial auto insurance. If your farmer's market is transporting produce or equipment, or you have a business vehicle that's registered in your business name, you're definitely going to need commercial auto. That's pretty straightforward. Now, if you have any employees that are working at your events, then you're definitely going to need workers' comp. It's required in almost every state, and it helps to cover your employees' medical expenses, rehabilitation costs, to help them get back to work if there was an injury on the job. So you definitely want to make the investment into workers' comp as soon as you think about hiring. Now, if your business obviously has equipment, tents, produce, things of that nature, and you're transporting those things, you may want to also consider equipment coverage, inventory coverage for your business. And you want to make sure that you have a floater that's going to cover when you take those things off site. So if you stop at a gas station, you get out, and then you come back, and then you find that your trailer's vandalized and you lost some equipment, then Inland Marine is going to help protect you in those types of situations when you're transporting equipment to your event. So it's going to help to cover your equipment off your actual business premises. So you'll definitely be glad, like I mentioned, that you had the right insurance in place to begin with, because again, accidents can and do happen. And the best way that we recommend getting the right insurance is to speak to an agent or a broker so that they could help build a specific plan that's based off of your specific operations. Now, if you need help finding the right sized insurance for you and your events, feel free to reach out to us. You could simply click a few links below somewhere in the description box of this video, or feel free to give our agency a call at 858-277-1585. We would love to work with you. We work in almost every state. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video.